Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to bring back the status vertical style in WhatsApp latest update. If your WhatsApp only now displays the horizontal style and you want to change it into vertical, then watch the video until the end so that you will not miss any step and information. So now, let's open our WhatsApp, and here on the Updates tab, you will see the updates from your contacts. You can see here that the current style is on horizontal, and below it, you can see the channels you follow. So in order to bring back the vertical style, follow this step. Click on the channel that you follow here. Then on the top right, click the icon with the three dot and select unfollow. Go back to the updates page and click on another channel. Unfollow the channels again and go back to the update screen. You have to do this until there's nothing more that you are following. And you can see here, the status are now in vertical style. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.